There are places in the San Gabriels that don't feel real, where the water glows and shades you'd expect from a tropical island, not Southern California. They call this stretch of Arroyo Seco many things, but today we're calling it Agua Bonita, the beautiful water. This is the glory of Royal Gorge and Falls and everything that flows into it. Upstream, it all begins near Switzer Falls, where the Arroyo Seco starts its descent into something much more wild. Further down, Bear Creek joins in, two flows meeting, parting, and shaping this canyon over time. And from this meeting point, the water begins to carve deeper, tighter, until it becomes something else entirely. There's no trail here, no shortcuts, just water, rock, and the path you make with every step. But what makes this place unforgettable is the water. It's not just clear, it's alive with color. Emerald greens, neon yellows, shades so bright they almost look artificial, like someone turned the saturation up way too high. But this is real, it's not AI. Minerals, light, depth, and time, all working together to create something almost surreal. And as you move downstream, each pool feels like its own hidden world. Wasn't that fun? Gonna get deep. About 3 feet. Not bad. Beautiful, beautiful place. Wow. Are you kidding me? As you get deeper into the gorge, it starts to reveal another aspect of its own magic. A canopy so wild, so remote, and feels so untouched that you can't believe it's here near Los Angeles. Let's take a look. Above you is a true canopy of life. The branches, they're stretching across this gorge, filtering sunlight into soft, shifting beams flickering. It is so beautiful. There's ivy, there's natural lush plants that are clinging to these rock walls, and roots that are finding their way into every crack. And below, the water, Agua Bonita, mirrors it all. It's quiet here, in a way that's hard to describe. Not silent, but very balanced, like everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. Hikebytes made this trek with Ignacio from Lopez Explora, but we gotta give a shout out to two people, Jesse St. Louis and Carl from the Nature Exploring Show. Highly recommend them both. If you're into adventure, I think you'll want to subscribe. They got many places I haven't been. Check them out. I'll put links in our video description so you can get there easily. As you move deeper, the canyon begins to close in. The walls rise up, the light gets thinner, and the sound of the water grows louder. There is where the Arroyo Seco becomes Royal Gorge. Every turn pulls you forward, every bend hinting at something bigger ahead. You don't rush through a place like this. You feel it, step by step. And the creek will not let you go fast. There is no trail. Places like this, I don't believe exist just to be seen. They're meant to be felt, and that's why you have to come here yourself. We made a how-to video exactly how to get here. You can find it on our channel. It's in the Angeles National Forest and LA playlist. This video is just a reminder that something this wild, this beautiful is still out here, even in LA, untouched, unchanged, and just waiting for you to come check it out. I hope that you do. And if you do make it out this way, do us all a big favor. Keep it clean and pristine and pack out everything you brought in. Thank you so much. We all appreciate it. Wow, this is pretty. Well, that'll give you a feel for the terrain. We're in the Royal Gorge right now. Some of the prettiest views I've seen so far. And we got a beautiful swim hole coming up. All right. Three quick Hikebytes tips: bring trekking poles, a filter, and a friend. Accidents can happen out here. You're on the creek for 1.5 miles there and back. But for everything else you need to know, watch our how-to. We go over everything, including driving directions, navigation, and visual guidance. Thanks so much. As the walls of the gorge start to reveal themselves, you know you're getting close. And as you get closer, you'll start to hear the roar and the sound of the water getting louder and louder, and that's part of the fun. But the journey there is just as good. And my suggestion, if you're not going to go all the way, just chill in one of the many swim holes. Just pick your favorite one and jump in. This was one of my all-time favorite swim holes, right next to a gorge wall, kind of an emerald pale yellow-green pool. It just looked fake. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And there's probably 20 of them. What a beautiful place. The Arroyo Seco, going to Royal Pools. If you're going to make the trek all the way there, when you see these walls closing in, you know you're very close. And you can hear the sound of it. It's no mistaken at this point. Gotta be getting close to those pools. I think we make a right turn and we're there. And without further ado, the glory of Royal Gorge. We're here at the falls and the pool, and this is a water slide if you're brave, but do bring rope and make sure you're a good rock climber. I say it time and time again, check the depth before you jump or slide into any pool. That's just unwise to do it. It's a risk you don't need to take. I didn't do it this time because I was exhausted, and I thought the walls were too slippery for me to climb back. Some might have done it, but I played it safe, and I'm glad I did. Thanks so much for watching, and we appreciate all the views you give us. And until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at Hikebytes, one bite at a time. This beautiful creek called Arroyo Seco will go past Switzer Falls, Upper and Lower, Bear Canyon, and about 5 beautiful swim holes with at least 2 water slides, and a secret tributary leading to Little Bear Canyon, and even more. So all this you can find in our how-to video, Royal Gorge and Royal Falls, the complete guide. It's one of our most recent uploads. You can't miss it. Well, I think anybody who comes out here, whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can find something to go explore, and I think you'll be satisfied. If you're new to our channel, why don't you subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and like it, send it to a friend, and make your plans to come here. I think you'll love it.